Short 12.34 even. Just checking my stops and targets. Okay, the reason for getting short 1500 is what's coming up to 9 AM. We've got new sales coming out in a minute. I just had to restart my systems because things were playing up. Anyway, start of the day we had exhaustion buy and blue professional bars up here kind of into the 40s, and we sold off very quickly. This is kind of rush for the doors, basically, this exhaustion selling on this move. But anyway, so we ran out of sellers at that point, bounced up because of that, so pull back to end of trend here, and then we're making second cyclical turn after end of trend. And on the 4500 tip bar chart, that last move up was an amateur up bar. Alright, just back, lost my data connection there. Had heck of a morning, restarting my systems, losing internet connections. Anyway, so reason for the trade: 1500 tip bar chart, end of trend, kind of weak, rally back up to 36, bearish divergence right on there, and last kind of pushes up on the 500 tip bar chart, Rambo pattern, amateur bar, amateur up bar. So just hoping for a kind of break through support here around 33 on the 4500 tip bar chart. So let's see if it kind of, we've got a support here on 500, if it kind of looks like it's wanting to break now into a downtrend. So let's wait and see. It's short from 34 even. Okay, just broken down, just moving my target to 28 even. See if we get a little bit lucky on this. Was a Rambo pattern, kind of then went into an amateur up bar here and then just kind of gave way, tested back up to 34, kind of back down. Minus 5,000 on 1500 tip bar chart as we're coming through support here on 1500 and 4500, so into a little bit of a trend move here. So it's not extreme yet, down to 31s. So 28's down here, looks a little bit far on this move, but let's see. No blue professional bars kind of down here yet, so we might just catch for a second with this cyclical support there, bang, and exhaustion selling. But we're below support here, so we might just hang for a little bit and then go for another go. So still holding short from 34 even. Okay, moving my target to 12.29 even. Just internet connection keeps on going in and out, so let me hopefully just get taken out on this trade and then I'm going to stop trading for today. But so moved it up from 28 to 29 even. A little bit of a run down. We've had exhaustion selling, bullish divergence coming on the 500 tip bar chart. No blue professional bars yet on the 1500 tip bar chart. We're negative 6,000. So hopefully we've got enough kind of juice just to get down to 29 even. So fingers crossed. Go, taking out 29 even for 5, which is great. And that's definitely we're down at 28s now. So I've had to lost my internet connection yesterday for about 4 or 5 hours. Today I had to restart my systems because I'd kept my computer on for too many weeks and just everything was kind of playing up. Then when I reconnected, I've lost my internet connection twice in the space of like 10 minutes, so don't know what's going on, but it's all not good. So the thing to do when you got kind of tech things, particularly internet connections going, it's okay if I lose like data connection from my trade station temporarily because I've still got my IB data feed, so I can see what's going on. But if I'm losing internet connection entirely, then that's just a bad scene, so that's reason to stop entirely. And lucky actually, one shot one kill with 5 points on the first trade, so I'm lucky. But that would be, even if I was up only a couple of points, just get out and don't take any more risks. So the setup for this trade, because we just had pro signal exit go off here, so there was a better exit than the 29 I got out at. We're kind of down at 27s here, so but there's blue professional bar and exhaustion selling, and a little Rambo pattern straight afterwards. So we're gonna 27 might there's another blue professional bar. 27 might be a little bit of a hold for a while, but we're in a downtrend. We're below cyclical support on all 3 time frames, so this might go a little bit. So just recap of this trade. Before the open, a whole bunch of blue professional bars up here at kind of 38s. and then we had initial sell-off and we bounced from there. Initially we were caught at support with the blue professional bar, very an amateur up bar, kind of testing up, very weak. We had this little bullish bearish divergence pattern here, which signals potential change of trend happening, about to happen, and that's what we've just had in this kind of sell-off here. 1500 tip bar chart, there was the open, same thing, blue professional bars, exhaustion buying, bearish divergence, bang, rush for the doors, we float back up, very weak buying up here into end of trend, come back again, second cyclical turn, bearish divergence right on the zero line, and a little amateur up bar, then bang, kind of break away into a downtrend move. And on the 500 tip bar chart, so from the open, end of trend at the open, with all that exhaustion kind of buying activity, then we go through this kind of just cyclical pattern, don't know which way to go, Rambo patterns on the way up here, so Rambo patterns on the way down here, so we're just holding this tight channel, and then we suddenly break into a downtrend, exhaustion selling, and we're still down at 27s. So there we go, that's me done for the day. I'm back into it just because I had family here since last Friday, so it's just dropped them off at the airport this morning, lunchtime, and so back into it. So anyway, nice to come in with a one shot one kill, but it's annoying me that I've got an internet connection problem, and that's never a good thing. Anyway, hope you traded well today.